Want to create eye-catching YouTube thumbnails without spending hours designing? In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT and Canva together to make stunning thumbnails in just minutes. Let's jump in and make your videos stand out. First, select the latest ChatGPT model. Open a new chat. Write a detailed prompt describing the type of thumbnail you want. Press Enter to run the prompt. ChatGPT will now generate the thumbnail for you. Once it's ready, click on the thumbnail and then click the download icon to save it. Next step, editing the thumbnail in Canva. Open Canva. Click on Create. Then click on Upload. Upload the thumbnail you downloaded from ChatGPT. Click on Edit Image. Click on Crop. Select the 16:9 ratio. Click Done. Then click Save. Next step, customizing the thumbnail. Click on the cropped photo. Click Open in Editor. Go to Elements. Click on Shapes. Choose a shape to use as the headline background and drag it onto the image. Now change the shape color. Type your thumbnail title. Adjust the text size, color, and overall style until you like how it looks. Next step, downloading the final thumbnail. Click on Share. Click on Download. Choose the image format you prefer. Then click Download again. And that's it. Your eye-catching thumbnail is ready to grab attention. Easy, fast, and professional.